Just want to do a little bit about quality of new parts, and I know there's been lots on this already, lots of sites, and I don't know how well this is going to show up just here, but I don't know whether you can see in the central electrode of this distributor cap, which was new on last year, there's a crack right down the side of it. Not sure how much of a difference that's going to make, but I suspect the more it goes on, the more it's going to get worse. So there's a little chunk out of it you can see there, but actually there's a crack, a split that goes down the middle. So I came across a new old stock distributor cap. This one is supposedly slightly later model, D Super 72 to 75. Mine's a 1970, but well, they messed about with carbs and distributor curves and curbs and stuff for the different models. I don't think the cap's fundamentally altered, and it looks actually, the cap that I had on before, the brown one, was an original Decilia distributor cap. I kept it just in case, and this one looks exactly the same and fits on here, no problem, clips on okay, rotor clearance, etc., all good. So I'm going to swap those leads over and see how we get on.